What makes the J-10C one of the most dangerous fighter jets in the world today? The J-10C is China's most advanced, single-engine multi-role fighter aircraft. Designed for speed, agility, and modern warfare, it has become a key part of China's Air Force. One of its biggest strengths is its AESA radar system, which can detect and track multiple targets at long distances. The aircraft is also equipped with the powerful PL-15 missile, a long-range weapon that has attracted attention from military experts worldwide. The J-10C can fly at more than twice the speed of sound and perform sharp maneuvers during combat. Its advanced electronic warfare systems help pilots detect threats and respond quickly. Today, the J-10C is considered one of the most capable fighter jets in its class. Fast, modern, and heavily armed, it represents the future of China's military aviation. Would you choose the J-10C or the F-16?